This is our new Mental X Smellables Snowflower Capsule. We got Nezuko on the back from Demon Slayer, sitting in a Federal tire. If you guys are interested, link is in the description below. Cop them now before they're gone. It is super limited and we might not drop this again. Let's get back to today's video. Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. By the time you're seeing this video, it is probably already 2021 because I'm not allowed to release this footage until Lexus and Super Street allow me to. What you guys are seeing is most likely going to be old footage. I don't know how old, but it's so crazy. I got invited by David. He asked me amongst 10 other Lexus owners to go and I guess go on like a cruise where they're gonna shoot photos and stuff to Fontana Speedway for the new 2021 Lexus IS. So they're doing like a timeline of like all the older ISs before it, and they chose me as well as a few other ISs like the first gen, second gen, and I'm meeting up with them right now, and then we're gonna go to Fontana Speedway and get to eat lunch and ride on the track. We were supposed to be able to ride along with pro drivers, but they decided against it since COVID and everything's going on. If you have your test results and you're negative, which I am, you get to go inside of the speedway and drive your car on the speedway. That's freaking awesome. I'm so excited. I've never been on a racetrack ever. Huge shout out to David for reaching out to me and allowing me to be a part of this Super Street Lexus event. Hopefully I make it in time. I ran a little late because I had to wash my car at like 5:30 in the morning. Last minute touch-ups, but we're doing big things on this channel, so I'm honestly super grateful for all of the opportunities that I've gotten thanks to YouTube and Instagram. I will see you guys there. We are at Mount Baldy. Check out all of these freaking beautiful builds that I get to see right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. We have a yellow IS. How often do you guys see a yellow IS? Never. Oh my god. God damn. What up, bro?
What's up, man?
Your car's freaking awesome.
Thank you, man.
We also got a little Super Street sticker. Let's go ahead and slap this on the car. So we just had our meeting, and me and this ISF owner are the leaders.
So you'll be number 2, okay?
Okay.
They're just following.
What's up? So we're pretty much going to be leading the group. I hope his car doesn't leave me because it's so fast. So it is going to be an 80-mile drive. I think we have 3 stops, do some photos. Renz is going to be shooting photos and media for us, roller shots, whatever it may be. But yeah, I'm excited to get this going. Hopefully my bags don't pop, the transmission's fine. They're pairing everyone up right now. It's like we're at the front of a roller coaster because we're the first ones, but this is sick. Shout out to Terry for being my partner and having the dopest ISF. Look how beautiful the scenery is out here. Holy shit. I don't know if you guys could see. We got Renz over there working his magic. Nature!
Put me in the vlog!
I see you.
Sometime.
Hey, thank you for inviting us out here.
Yeah,
Look
no
at this.
problem, man.
Look at what you created.
Beautiful turnout. We're just getting started. This is the first stop. So we are doing a lead follow, which is we have professional drivers there with the RCF and also the LC500.
Yeah.
They will be leading as we follow them on the track.
Okay, thank you again.
Hell yeah, dude.
Can we take some time to appreciate all of these beautiful ISs over here? This is a big fuck you to all the haters that think this car is too slow or whatever. This car is freaking awesome. Look at these beautiful generations right here.
So,
what up? Thank you for letting me use this. Shout out to the short boys over here. We got a fucking giant.
it's all good.
That rear end just, oh.
All Alright guys, we just finished at the first spot. This is so awesome. Renz got all the cars together, got on a fat ladder with a fat tripod, took photos of all of our cars, and now we're off to the next spot. Dude, this is awesome. Like, meeting all these cool ass people, other enthusiasts with freaking awesome builds. This is what it's all about. Like, I'm truly honored that I was asked to be able to go to this. I know a lot of you guys out in the other states probably would have gotten asked if you were in California, but it was mainly like all the locals to LA, minus Terry with the ISF right here. He drove all the way out here from San Diego. Huge shout out to you, Terry, for coming through, being the sickest partner, not leaving me with your ISF because that shit is light years faster than my car. See you guys at the next photo spot. All right, guys, we made it to the next photo spot. It's so nice to get out, you know, since we're stuck in COVID, but everyone's being safe. My car finally gets to experience nature. I want her to see the world.
They do want to film us all rolling in together. Any other questions?
There it is, guys, the racetrack. I'm so excited! Holy shit, guys. I can't believe we're at the Auto Club Speedway right now. Always been a dream of mine to come in here. And we're gonna get to run it on the track. Bro, my car is so slow, but this will give me that track experience before I supercharge. So if I like this track, maybe I'll go to another track. I feel like a little kid right now, like I'm going to Disneyland.
So they've been having fun down at the track.
Guys, this is my dream car. Oh my god. It looks so good and convertible, but I would still get hardtop. More cars just pulled up. Jesus. Oh my god. Someone got the Walt kit on it. God damn.
This is crazy.
This is race car right here.
Look at the lips.
Look how big that is.
5-finger gap.
It's more than 5 fingers.
Yeah, 6, 7.
Oh, this one's sick.
Alright guys, we got Jamie out here.
Hey, what's up?
Thank you for coming out. He watches the
problem.
channel. And we're about to go check out the new IS. Are you excited?
I'm excited. So.
Guys, this is my first time seeing it in person. I'll give you my honest review. Yep, I love the front. Just like in the pictures.
Yeah, it's getting smaller and smaller.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah.
We got the LC mirrors. Oh shit, this is really, really big. And everyone's favorite, the rear end. Okay, that doesn't look as bad in person.
It's growing on me.
Yeah, this diffuser is freaking gnarly though. It's too aggressive for the tips, like it's not sticking out enough.
Yeah.
I would buy it if I didn't buy the 3rd gen. I still like the older body in my opinion. Alright guys, so I didn't know that this was the base model. We got the F Sport over here. That one looks badass. God damn, that looks mean.
Do a burnout.
Damn. I'm gonna be honest guys, all these cars here are so sick, but nothing beats the LC. This is just like the perfect car in my eyes. So I think we're about to go on the track.
No, I'm the slowest, bro. Trust me.
Hey, this is like go-karts. I'm gonna fuck all you guys up. We're on the track! Yo, this is insane. This is totally unreal. I can't believe how sick this is. Damn, this is so sick. Oh my god. Guys, this is freaking crazy. Never would I ever have thought that we would be here. Bro! That was sick. This is so tight. You guys already know we gotta air out one time for the track. Paul, you're my shot. Let's get it. Guys, I don't know if you heard all that, but there's hella rocks flying all over the place. I think it's totally worth the rock chips. I came in last place, but over here, last place is first place. Such a successful run. Holy shit, that was so fun. Damn.
Thank you. Thank you, Sam.
Let's get it. Oh, that's goals right there. Thumbnail.
I wasn't expecting that at all. So that worked out.
It's very diverse.
He's like, I was expecting it to be like some slow, like, okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna go down these
I thought so
cones,
too.
then around these
Yeah.
cones.
I was like, dang, I should have
Yeah,
did the
I
ride
thought-
along with you.
You guys get up to speed?
Dude,
Yeah.
like
Yeah, I hit a buck
5
10.
more.
I think
Or
you did a
like
buck
down
down
and
there.
straight
Something like
away.
that. Yeah, we definitely did like at least
Yeah.
like 115, 120.
Yeah.
The rock chips
I didn't
kinda
look
killed
at. I
our
was just looking,
Yeah.
paying attention to
We
his
got a
phone.
rock.
Like, this guy's
Yeah.
yeah.
Definitely was.
That was
I'll send you guys an email.
felt so bad. I was
Yeah,
just
so-
like, damn.
Thank you
I got
guys,
some
thank you
specs.
guys. That was by far the coolest event I've ever gone to that's car related. Oh my god. Once in a lifetime experience. Got to meet great people, got to shoot great photos, cruise, drive on the track. Like, such an amazing day. Dude, totally worth it. If you ever told me 2 years ago I would be at a Lexus event hosted by Super Street just because I do YouTube, I would not believe you. Blessings on blessings. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're watching it today, this happened months ago, but I'm just so glad I'm able to share it with you guys. Like this was awesome. You don't get to meet a lot of cool people that often, to be honest, and all of these guys were amazing in their own way. Shout out to all you guys that came through. And there you guys have it. That was the Super Street event that I got to experience. It was shot so long ago, and I'm sorry I made you guys wait so long. Lexus did not want me to post until January, so that's why you guys are able to watch it now, because it is January 2021. I hope you're all having an amazing year so far. I know it just started, but can't be any worse than the last year. Huge shout out to Lexus, Super Street, Sam, David for hosting this whole thing, and Motor Trend for having us out there, getting us together and having a great time. It was awesome. Looking back at all this footage and watching it made me get to relive it. That's one of my favorite things about doing YouTube, guys. I started doing YouTube because I wanted to document my build and certain moments that I wanted to relive in my life. I think that's how it should be. You shouldn't do it because you want to get clout or make a shitload of money, because us YouTubers don't make that much money, to be honest. I just think it should all be for fun at first, and then when you see it going somewhere, then that's when you can kind of push it. There's nothing wrong with going into it with the mindset like, I gotta make it. Like, you're hungry to, you know, succeed, which is fine, but I just feel like it takes away from the genuine content that you want to be making, like, you know, fun things. Like, I don't have to film my install videos or things that I do to my car. I do it not only for you guys, but mainly for myself. myself because anything can happen to this car. I can total it and it could just be gone like that. So me having these videos, I can watch them again. I can show my kids and be like, yeah, I really did used to have this car, and I just don't show them photos to prove it. I have videos. That's the fun part about doing YouTube, to be honest. If a photo's worth 1,000 words, then a video's the whole damn Bible. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. We will be getting some more content of this baby right here. I miss her. I want to fix up little things like those rock chips that I got, a bunch of other things, and then install some parts that I have sitting in my garage. So I promise Lexus content will be soon, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And I'm actually going to put all the photos that the one and only Renz took, very, very fire photos, at the end of the video. So if you want to stay, I'm going to lay them out all right there. And maybe I'll shoot with Renz again soon. Comment down below if you guys like Renz's photos and you want me to book a shoot with him. I'll probably do that. He knows all the spots and he has all of the talent in the world. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.